Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to TH Academy. Hope you guys are fine. So in today's lecture, we will discuss a very important topic from public finance, that is public revenue and its sources. We will cover definition, types, importance, objectives, and challenges in a very simple and easy way so students from anywhere in the world can understand. So let's get started with our first slide, that is Introduction to Public Revenue. Here we go. Introduction to public revenue. First, let us understand what public revenue actually means. Public revenue refers to all the income that the government collects from different sources to run the country, provide services, and promote development. For example, income from taxes, fees, borrowing, and investment. If we talk about the importance of public revenue, that is, governments need revenue to provide public goods and services like roads, hospitals, schools, and security. It funds development projects such as highways, airports, and metro systems. It helps maintain economic stability, controls inflation, and manages unemployment. It also reduces inequality by redistributing income through taxation and subsidies. Let's discuss the difference between public and private revenue. Public revenue is income collected by the government for public welfare, and private revenue is income earned by individuals or companies for personal benefit. Now, let's discuss the objective of public revenue. Objectives of public revenue. So, the government collects public revenue for several important objectives. First, to provide essential services like education, healthcare, and transport facilities. To promote economic development by funding industries, agriculture, and research. To maintain economic stability by controlling inflation and unemployment. And to reduce income inequality through progressive taxation and welfare schemes. Similarly, to ensure social welfare by providing subsidies, pensions, and scholarships, to strengthen national security and maintain law and order. In short, public revenue helps government meet their needs of citizens and ensures the overall growth of the economy. Now, let's discuss the classification of public revenue. Public revenue is classified into two main categories. First is tax revenue, and the second one is non tax revenue. So, let's discuss tax revenue. Tax revenue is compulsory payments collected by the government, and non tax revenue is income the government earns from other sources without imposing taxes. We will discuss both in detail in the next slides. So, start with the first one, that is tax revenue. So, what is tax revenue? Let's talk about tax revenue first. Tax revenue refers to compulsory payments made by individuals and businesses to the government without expecting any direct benefit in return. What are the types of tax? The first one is direct tax, and the second one is income tax, property tax, corporate tax, wealth tax. Let's discuss first direct tax. Direct tax paid directly by taxpayers, like income tax. And what is income tax? Income tax is paid on personal or business income. Property tax means charged on ownership of land and property. Corporate tax paid by companies on their profit, and wealth tax means lived on total wealth. Now let's discuss indirect tax. Indirect taxes means collected through sellers, like for example GST and VAT. GST and VAT means charged on goods and services. Excise duty, tax on production of goods. Customs duty, tax on imports and exports. Sales tax means paid when purchasing products. So the key differences between them is direct tax paid directly to the government and indirect tax collected by sellers then paid to the government. Now let's discuss the non-tax revenue. Non-tax revenue is government's income from non-compulsory sources, meaning it's collected without imposing taxes. Types of non-tax revenue. Number one, fee and fines. For example, license fees, penalty, registration charges. Profit and public enterprises, like income from government owned companies. Dividends from investments means earning from government. Investment in industry. Dividend from investment means earning from government investment in industry. Interest on loans means when the government lends money to states or other countries. Grants and donation means contributions from NGOs, international bodies, or foreign governments. So these are the types of non-tax revenue. Now, what is the importance of public revenue? Importance of public revenue. Public revenue plays a key role in every country's development. It funds infrastructure like roads, bridges, metros, and airports. It provides public goods and services such as education, healthcare, and security. It maintains economic stability by managing inflation and unemployment. It helps reduce income inequality through welfare programs. It supports industrial and business growth with subsidies and incentives. It provides a country's global image by attracting foreign investments. So these are the importance of public revenue. Now, what are the challenges in public revenue? Even though public revenue is very important, government face several challenges like tax evasion and avoidance, like for people try to avoid paying taxes, reducing government income. Next, corruption and mismanagement means public funds are not always used properly. Over independence on borrowings means leads to heavy national debt. Unequal tax structure means low income groups often feel more burdened. Global economic instability means fluctuations in trade and aid affect revenue. Public resistance means people hesitate to pay taxes when they don't trust government spending. Now, let's discuss the conclusion and call to action. To summarize, public revenue is the backbones of a country's economy. It funds development, provides services, reduces inequality, and ensures stability. For better results, governments must improve tax collection, reduce corruption, and spend revenue effectively. So, if you find this lecture helpful like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to TH Academy for more detailed lectures. And don't forget to comment your doubts below. I'll personally reply to you. So, this is it for today. Before we end today's lecture, I would like to remind you that on TH Academy, I have already uploaded complete playlist on various subjects like including macroeconomics, microeconomics, mathematics, statistics, public finance, and entrepreneurships. So, if you are studying any of these subjects, I highly recommend checking out those playlists to strengthen your understanding. And if you ever face any problem, any kind of or any topic, any topic confusing, just let me know in the comment section. I will prepare a complete video lecture on that topic and upload it specially for you. So don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TH Academy so you never miss my upcoming lectures. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.